Welcome to 703 Kings Road. This neat 2-bedroom, 1 full bath apartment home with 2 parking spaces out front and updates inside. It's located in Orangeburg, convenient to I-26, and just a short drive, 45 minutes to Columbia. We're out front. You can see you have 2 parking spaces, as we mentioned, to go with the unit, and the entry is here to our left. So it's part of a quadruplex building. Just step inside. You have laminate flooring, wood look laminate flooring here in the entry, also in the kitchen and bathroom. You have a nice sized living room off the entry with a ceiling fan and a window out towards the front. Eat-in dining area in the kitchen, as well as included refrigerator, dishwasher, and electric range. You also have a laundry area with side-by-side full-size washer dryer connections, and then a door that accesses the backyard or just some shared outdoor space that is fenced off outside. Sort of a circular hall here, 3 rooms off of it. First being the full bathroom. So you have a single vanity and shower and tub in here, and again that matching flooring. One of the 2 bedrooms. Just a decent size, has a nice sized closet. And then bedroom number 2. This one faces the front, the other room faces the rear of the property. And that pretty much wraps up our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 703 Kings Road in Orangeburg. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.